A viewer photo from yesterday captures what may have been a tornado near Valley Springs and Rancho Calaveras. Mitzi Whitworth captured this shot, which shows a funnel cloud which may be in contact with the ground. The National Weather Service issued a tornado warning yesterday at 4:40 and it lasted until 5:45 in the afternoon. The radar was able to detect that rotation, but until they send a survey team down there, they won't be able to determine if it was or was not an actual tornado. It looks like it may have been, and if it was, likely an EF0 or maybe an EF1. An EF0 has winds of 65 to 85 miles per hour. That is not taking your house off its foundation and blowing walls over, but what it does do, take down some trees, some branches, and pick up some debris and make them projectiles. That's what makes EF0s and 1s so dangerous. This is the cell from yesterday. The red box is the tornado warned area. A closer look shows the heavy rain, and you also see lightning strikes as the thunderstorm worked its way just north of Rancho Calaveras and Valley Springs. If there was a tornado, this is the path it likely took. Just to the north of the populated area of Valley Springs, let me tilt the map so you could see the topography, the elevation changing. As it went further up towards the foothills, that kills tornadoes, and that was likely its demise as it knocks it off kilter and it dies out. Now, if you ever find yourself in a tornado-warned area, this is what I'm going to need you to do. Get inside a building like your house and put as many walls between you and the outside as possible. Generally, a hallway, a bathroom, or a closet are the safest places to be. Now, if you do have a basement, that would be the #1 best place to go. However, we live in the valley, a floodplain. Most buildings don't have basements. That's if you're home. What about if you're in a car? The best thing you can do is drive out of the path or seek shelter in a building. But if that's not an option, you stay in your car and avoid seeking shelter under something like a bridge. That's actually a misconception and can make you more vulnerable to danger. Finally, if you're in the open outdoors, the worst scenario you could be in, seek shelter in a sturdy building, or if you can't do that, lie flat, face down on low ground away from trees. Be safe and watch out for those tornadoes.